They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be doing the passion twist made back, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the passion twist. Passion twist is very it's a pretty one of the easiest twists. I mean, first is Marley twist to me, or Vanna twist, those like kinky twists, and then passion twist. They're just about the same because some Marley twists are not meant to be as clean, so you don't have to twist as tight, and it doesn't have to be so smooth, because it's just gonna be like, Marley, like it's very, very natural. And passion twist as well is a very like messy twist. I know we've seen passion twist and also we've seen spring twist. Spring twist is it's cleaner, and that one requires some type of detail because you want to maintain it so that it's going to look kind of like springy, like spring twist here. Basically, it's going to have like that squirrel look to it. But passion twist is very, very easy, and also the hair that you use for this twist also makes it look how it actually looks. It's how you twist. Sometimes, in most cases, it's the hair that you use basically. So right now I'm just creating my clean parts, and first I make my rough draft parts, my rough draft line, and then I go ahead and apply my edge control, or you can use like gel or just something, and then you're gonna go back with your rat tail comb and go through the line and make sure that it's looking clean. I'm not the best when it comes to lines, so I always do this because it does help me make a straight line, make it as straight as I can make them be. I'm always trying to get better, but doing this definitely has helped me even save time when it comes to braiding my clients' hair. So now I'm done making my product, but let's go back to the hair that I use. So I use the water wave hair, and I also do have the link to the hair in my description box. And for these ones, I am doing color 1B. No, sorry, we used color 2 for my client. That was what was requested. And now I'm using 2 strands of the spring twist hair. So one strand on the other side, and the other one on the other side. But you have to fluff them first, and then just cross it over, and then you start braiding. People usually twist first, which is awesome. But when it comes to passion twist, I just feel like the hair is so silky that I just don't want to twist first. And I don't use rubber band either. So I just braid first because it makes it firmer, makes it fuller at the top, and just makes it last longer. I don't have any complaints from my client when it comes to doing this method. So I just braid first and braid like 2 or 3 times, and then try to make sure I have the same amount of twist on both sides, like on both ends, before I start twisting. Then when I twist, especially when you're at the top of your client's hair, you want to apply your edge control while twisting so that you can try to steal your client's hair as much as possible. And then you twist, and I'm trying to explain something here, but I just don't know how to explain it, but you're going to see me do it. But it's almost like when you twist, you try to squeeze it up, like you're trying to get back to the top. You probably see me do it at some point. I just do it when I think about it. I don't do it for all the twists because it's not really required for all the twists. It's a freestyle twist basically. So you just do what you got to do, but just make sure it looks like passion twist. And when I applied my hair moves, and that was about it. This hairstyle is very, very easy to do. This literally only took me, I think, about 3 hours and 45 minutes. It doesn't take that long to do at all. Just make sure you're all prepped up, and you have your edge control and your rat tail comb, and you are good to go. So yeah, that'll be all. And I also used, I think, about 7.5 packs of the spring twist. Of the passion twist, the water wave hair, basically. Well, if you have any questions, let me know, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me, y'all say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about them too. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, original Batman.
Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on the